Hello everyone, my name is I am 22 years old. I was born and grew up in Phú Thọ. Today I think about linking sound in English. Number one, consonant before vowel. Catch, catch up, catch up, catch or catch her. Each, other, each other. Los Angeles, reduce, it's, reduce, what's up, 10 years ago, master of art, colorist, computer information, laugh at, leave at, leave it. Number two, vowel before vowel. Do is, do with. So why. USA, do world. VOA, the end. I am, a bee on a tree, a vision, a tree. Yes, thank you for watching video. Bye.